Greetings. In this video, we'll learn about the test access log inside of eLearning. If you want to review how long it took for a student to answer test questions, then consider the test access command. First, inside of your course, we scroll down to the Grade Center. We then click on the Full Grade Center. Inside the Full Grade Center, navigate to the student's test attempt. In this case, we're going to use Exam 1, and we're going to locate a student's test attempt. After hovering our mouse over the student's grade, we then click on the drop-down button to click on the test attempt. Now that we're inside of the student's test attempt, we click on the test information. Here, we see the time it took for the student to take the test, and we see a button that says Access Log. When we click on the Access Log button, this is how you can review how long it took for the student to answer each test question, and if the student took time to change their answer. For more information about reviewing a student's test attempts, as well as grading, please watch our other videos, request training, or email us with elearning@utdallas.edu.